Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Subaru Forester oil light. First, locate the I/SET button, usually found on your steering wheel. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various display screens until you reach the maintenance menu. This is your starting point for accessing the oil light reset function. Once you're on the maintenance screen, use the I/SET button to select it. Then, scroll through the options until you find engine oil. Select this option to access the oil reset function. You might need to press and hold the button for a few seconds to confirm your choice and move to the next step. Now you'll see an option to adjust your oil change interval, perhaps to 6,000 miles or 6 months. Make any necessary adjustments, then select Yes to confirm the reset. After confirming, the oil light on your dashboard should turn off, indicating that the reset was successful. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Remember, resetting the oil light should always follow an actual oil change, not replace it. Always refer to your Subaru Forester's owner's manual for precise instructions, as steps can vary slightly between models. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.